guys, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel, and today's video is a bit special because I want to talk to you about something that I've been working on since the beginning of this break that I had taken. So since July 2020 almost I've been planning it, but in reality it's something I've been working on since the past 4 years, even before this YouTube channel even existed. Today's recipe that I'm showing you is from my ebook which I have launched just this week. It's called One Bowl Wonders. This ebook focuses especially on creating eggless desserts that can be made all in one bowl. So you don't need a million bowls, you don't need a million steps to make one cake. And I am not just covering cakes, we're doing a lot of baking here. So this ebook contains a total of 15 recipes, of which 11 recipes are made using one bowl only, and 4 bonus recipes of eggless macarons in flavors like spicy lemonade and haldi doodh or turmeric latte, vanilla fudge, chocolate fudge. Let me just give you a sneak preview of the kind of recipes that you're going to find in this ebook. We are talking about malted Biscoff cheesecake stuffed cookies, white chocolate, strawberry and coconut blondies, tiramisu tres leches cake, vanilla custard cloud cake, apple crumble cake. There's also a delicious blueberry cheesecake bread pudding, and there is also these delicious mocha cookies which I will be showing you today as a sneak preview of my ebook. We'll be making the entire recipe from scratch with all the ingredients and the quantities, which will all be down in the description box below. If you are new to my channel, I am giving away an exclusive free preview of my ebook containing 4 amazing recipes which you will find in this ebook. So if you want that sneak preview, download it for free by clicking on the link below in the description box. And if you've been following my channel for a while and you've made recipes from my YouTube channel and my blog, and you enjoyed it and you loved it and you like the content that I post, then I would be so happy if you could buy my ebook and make the amazing recipes that I have made for you in there. The ebook is available to download for 200 rupees, which is approximately $2.7 US dollars. So if you would love to make these recipes, then click on the link down in the description box below to purchase your ebook. But before you make your purchase, you can also download a free preview by clicking in the link down in the description box below. I'm giving you a free preview of 4 recipes from my ebook, One Bowl Wonders. Let's jump into the recipe that we are making today from my One Bowl Wonders ebook. It's called mocha cookies, and guys, honestly, this is the easiest cookie recipe that you will ever make, and it is so decadent. It's almost like you're drinking a warm, comforting mug of mocha coffee. So let's get straight into this recipe. The first thing you want to do is preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Here in a bowl, I have measured out some salted butter and brown sugar. As you can see, I'm using my weighing scale, the digital food scale, which I really recommend that you invest in because it is so accurate and, might I also add, super quick. So once I've added my room temperature butter and brown sugar, I'm going to use my electric beaters and start mixing this on a medium speed. First on low for about 30 seconds or so, and then on medium speed. And I'm going to beat this for a total of 3 minutes, and you can already see that it has gone super pale and fluffy, and from a dark brown it has gone to a beautiful beige color. It's been about 3 minutes now, so we're going to measure in our all-purpose flour. As you can see, everything happens in this one bowl only. So in this bowl now, I've added some all-purpose flour, which is basically 100 grams. And then to that, I'm also going to add some unsweetened cocoa powder. We're going to now work on the mocha element of these cookies by adding a teaspoon of instant espresso powder, and I'm also going to add a teaspoon of cornstarch. Then I'm going to add some baking soda. Again, all quantities are down in the description box below First, now with my electric beaters, I'm just going to mix it manually with my hand. The beaters are off because I don't want the flour and all the dry bits to fly all around the place. So once I've mixed it manually, I will start the beaters on low and continue beating this for about 30 seconds until it forms a smooth dough like this. Now here I have a cookie tray or a baking tray lined with parchment paper, and I'm going to use my ice cream scoop to scoop out balls of this cookie dough, and you get about 6 cookies from this recipe. So I'm just going to scoop it out, and then I am also going to use the palms of my hand to just shape the balls into a proper dough ball. Now there's 2 ways that you can bake these cookies. Firstly, you can just pop these bits of dark chocolate on the cookie, but what I also like to do is just bake these cookies first. So we are going to bake these at 180 degrees Celsius for about 14 minutes. That's 14 minutes. And as soon as they're out of the oven, then I am going to start adding the chunks of chocolate on the top. So because the cookies are super hot at this point, it starts to melt the chocolate. This is how I prefer, but you can also just pop the chocolate before it goes in the oven as well. And finally, a finishing touch of some sprinkling of sea salt. Guys, if you have watched my previous videos, you'll know chocolate, sea salt is such a brilliant combination, and add to that the addition of coffee in this is just the most amazing mocha cookies. Let them cool down completely for about 15 to 20 minutes, and now we have our 1 bowl mocha cookies ready to go. I mean, look at that molten chocolate. Amazing. I'm gonna break into it because these cookies are absolutely irresistible. They take barely like 10 minutes, less than 10 minutes actually, to put together, and look how amazing they look. That melting chocolate is making me drool. And now I'm going to show you the insides. The sides or the edges of the cookie are super crisp, and the middle is gooey and fudgy like that. These are intensely delicious. That was my recipe for the mocha cookies, which you can find in my ebook, which I have just published this week. Don't forget to download your free copy of the preview of this ebook, which contains 4 recipes from my original ebook, which is available for sale. If you're happy with the preview and you love the recipes in there, then please don't forget to buy the ebook from my shop for rupees 200 or 2.7 approximately US dollars. It is an absolute steal, you guys, and it's going to make your baking so much easier. So don't forget to download the free preview or purchase the ebook. If you enjoyed this video, then please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon so you're notified every time I post a new video. I'll see you again next time. Until then, goodbye and happy baking.